Hello, welcome back to Alan Chong Idea Art. Today, I will demonstrate the SPM art exam question number 6. Question number 6. Anda sedang melalui sebuah lorong pada waktu hujan lenyai di waktu malam. Di kiri dan kanan kelihatan bangunan lama dan bersejarah. Kawasan tersebut kelihatan sulam dan disinari lampu jalan. Gambarkan situasi tersebut dari jarak dekat dengan memberi penekanan kepada aksi, bentuk, jalinan, dan pencahayaan. In this question, for me, you need to understanding the perspective drawing. 1 point perspective. Those who are good in perspective, you can try this. Let's start now. I like to start with the yellow first. I will paint all buildings yellow color and blend with orange and dark brown colors. The reason because I want to create an overall mood with one major warm color. This kind of paint will easily capture people's attention. It will help you to get a good mark on the examination. Done. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope with my video demonstration will help you to get a high score in SPM art exam. For those still not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please click it now. Goodbye.